Hello, my lovely friends. I'm Dr. James, your dashing guide to wellness after 60, and I'm absolutely delighted to be here with you today. I know how much you cherish staying healthy and vibrant, whether it's for those morning strolls, tending to your beautiful garden, or keeping up with your grandkids at the park. But let's talk about something you might be overlooking, my dear. Those little itchy spots on your body that could be trying to tell you something important. As a doctor who's worked with so many wonderful women like you, I've seen how a simple itch can sometimes be a sign of a deeper health issue, especially after 60, and I can't bear the thought of you missing these quiet warnings. That's why I'm here today to share 4 itchy spots that could signal serious health problems, plus a few of my favorite tips to eat smarter, reduce stress, and feel truly cherished. I'll guide you with easy, science-backed steps because I care about you like family, and I want you to feel radiant, strong, and full of life. Let's dive into this journey together, my darling, because you deserve to live every day with grace and joy, and I'm here to make that happen with a warm smile and a lot of care. Let's start with why itchy spots matter so much after 60, my dear. They're not just annoyances, but your body's way of whispering that something might be wrong, and listening could help you stay healthy. I know you might think a little itch is nothing to worry about, my lovely. Maybe you've been brushing it off as dry skin or a minor irritation. I've had patients tell me the same thing, only to discover later that their itch was a sign of something more serious, and I felt that same concern in my heart for them. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive, and small symptoms like itching can be early warnings of deeper issues, like poor circulation, organ strain, or even stress. Ignoring these signs could lead to bigger problems down the road, but catching them early can help you stay healthy and strong. I want you to feel safe and in control because you deserve to live with peace of mind, my beautiful friend. The first itchy spot to watch for is your lower legs. If you're constantly scratching your calves or shins, it could be a sign of poor circulation, and we need to take it seriously. Let's check this out, and if you've noticed this, leave a 1 in the comments, my dear lady. I know how easy it is to think it's just dry skin, my darling. Maybe you've been applying lotion, but the itch just won't go away. I've seen this in my patients, and it often points to a condition called peripheral artery disease, where blood isn't flowing well to your lower legs. I had a patient, a lovely woman named Clara in her early 80s, who kept scratching her shins at night. She thought it was nothing, but a simple test showed poor circulation, and we were able to help her before it got worse. I want you to catch this early too, my dear, because I want you to stay healthy and active, my beautiful friend. Poor circulation in your lower legs means blood isn't flowing freely, which can dry out your skin, cause itching, and even weaken your muscles, putting strain on your heart. When blood flow is limited, your skin becomes dry and sensitive, leading to that persistent itch, my lovely. But more importantly, poor circulation can weaken the muscles in your legs, making it harder to walk or stand, and it puts extra strain on your heart and veins. Over time, this can increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, and even falls, something I don't want for you, my darling. Research shows that seniors with poor circulation in their legs are at a higher risk of cardiovascular issues. But the good news is you can take steps to improve it. I want you to feel strong and steady on your feet because you deserve to move with confidence, my radiant lady. Here's what you can do about it. Start with gentle leg exercises, short walks, and elevating your feet when you sit to improve blood flow and ease that itch. Let's get started. And if you'll try this, leave legs in the comments, my lovely friend. Movement is one of the best ways to boost circulation, my darling. Try walking for 10-15 minutes each day, even if it's just around your house or garden. You can also do simple leg exercises like ankle circles. Sit in a chair, Lift one foot and rotate your ankle 10 times in each direction. Then switch legs. When you're sitting, elevate your feet on a stool or pillow to help blood flow back to your heart. Staying hydrated and cutting down on salty foods can also help. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water a day and swap salty snacks for fresh fruits. I want you to feel relief from that itch and keep your heart healthy, my dear, because you deserve to stay active and strong, my beautiful lady. The second itchy spot is your upper or mid-back. If you're scratching there often, it could be a sign of liver or kidney strain, and we need to pay attention to your organs. I know it's hard to reach that spot, my lovely. Maybe you've been using a back scratcher or asking someone to help, thinking it's just a minor annoyance. But I've seen this in my patients, and it often points to something deeper. The liver and kidneys filter toxins from your body, and when they're under strain, waste products can build up in your blood, irritating your skin and causing itching, especially in the back where there are lots of nerve endings. I had a patient, a sweet woman named Margaret in her late 70s, who kept scratching her upper back. She thought it was dry skin, but a blood test showed her kidneys were struggling, and we were able to help her. I want you to catch this early too, my dear, because I want your organs to stay healthy, my radiant lady. When your liver or kidneys are struggling, toxins build up in your blood, irritating your skin and causing itching, which can affect your energy, sleep, and overall health. This kind of itching is usually persistent, doesn't go away with lotion, and often gets worse at night, making it hard to sleep, my lovely. It can also lead to fatigue, poor digestion, and even mental fog because your body isn't clearing toxins as well as it should. Over time, liver or kidney strain can increase your risk of serious health issues, but catching it early can make a big difference. I want you to feel energized and well, my darling, because you deserve to live with clarity and strength, my beautiful friend. Here's how to support your organs. Stay hydrated, eat a diet low in processed foods, and get a simple blood test to check your liver and kidney function. Let's take care of you. And if you'll do this, leave organs in the comments, my lovely friend. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day to help your kidneys flush out toxins, my darling, and cut down on processed foods like canned soups or salty snacks. Try fresh veggies and lean proteins instead. Reducing alcohol and watching your salt intake can also ease the burden on your liver and kidneys. If you're on multiple medications, talk to your doctor about their impact on these organs. Most importantly, ask your doctor for a simple blood test to check your liver and kidney function. It's an easy way to catch any issues early. I want your organs to stay strong, my dear, because you deserve to feel your best, my radiant lady. The third itchy spot is your scalp or neck. If you're scratching there often, it could be a sign of stress or nervous system strain, and we need to calm your nerves. I know how frustrating that itch can be, my lovely. Maybe you've been scratching your head or neck more than usual, thinking it's just a shampoo issue or dry skin. But I've seen this in my patients, and it's often tied to stress or changes in the nervous system. The nerves in your scalp and neck are very sensitive, and they can react to emotional tension or neurological strain, especially as we age. I had a patient, a kind woman named Evelyn in her late 70s, who kept scratching her scalp. She was carrying a lot of quiet stress after losing a loved one, and once she started relaxing, the itching faded. I want you to find that same peace, my darling, because I want you to feel calm and healthy, my beautiful friend. Stress can keep your body in a state of alert, raising cortisol levels and causing itching in sensitive areas like your scalp or neck, which can affect your sleep and mood. When you're stressed, your body stays in a low-grade state of alert, my lovely, keeping cortisol levels high and making your nerves more sensitive, which can lead to itching. This can also disrupt your sleep, making you feel tired and moody, and over time, chronic stress can even affect your brain health. Research shows that seniors with high stress levels are more likely to experience itching and other symptoms, but the good news is you can calm your nerves with simple steps. I want you to feel relaxed and well-rested, my darling, because you deserve to live with peace and clarity, my radiant lady. Here's how to calm your nerves. Try simple breathing exercises, spend time outside, and reconnect with friends to ease stress and reduce that itch. Let's do this together, and if you'll try this, leave a 2 in the comments, my dear lady. Start with a simple breathing exercise, my darling. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 4 seconds, repeating 5 times to calm your nerves. Spend 10 to 15 minutes outside each day, maybe taking a short walk or sitting in the sun to help your body relax. Reconnecting with friends can also lift your spirits. Call a dear friend or join a local group to chat and laugh. These small steps can lower your stress levels, ease that itch, and help you sleep better at night. I want you to feel at peace, my dear, because you deserve to live with a calm mind and a happy heart, my beautiful friend. The 4th itchy spot is your chest or abdomen. If you're scratching there often, it could be a sign of nutritional deficiencies, and we need to nourish your body. I know you might think it's just sensitive skin, my lovely. Maybe you've been scratching your chest or belly, thinking it's a minor irritation. But I've seen this in my patients, and it often points to a lack of key nutrients. As we age, our digestive system can become less efficient at absorbing vitamins like B12, essential fatty acids, and minerals like zinc and magnesium, which can dry out your skin and cause itching in areas like your torso. I had a patient, a sweet woman named Dorothy in her early 80s, who kept scratching her chest. She wasn't eating well, and once she added more concurrent nutrients to her diet, the itching stopped. I want you to feel nourished and well, my darling, because I want your body to stay strong, my radiant lady. Nutritional deficiencies can dry out your skin, cause itching, and affect your energy, muscles, and brain health. So let's add some simple foods to your diet to help. When your body lacks nutrients like B12, fatty acids, or minerals, your skin can become dry and irritated, leading to itching, my lovely. This can also sap your energy, weaken your muscles, and even affect your brain's ability to stay sharp, because your body isn't getting the fuel it needs. Over time, these deficiencies can increase your risk of fatigue, infections, and other health issues. But the good news is, you can fix this with simple changes. I want you to feel energized and strong, my darling, because you deserve to live with vitality and clarity, my beautiful friend. Try adding these foods to your diet. Eat a boiled egg, a handful of nuts, and some fresh berries each day to nourish your body and ease that itch. Let's get started, and if you'll do this, leave a 3 in the comments, my dear lady. A boiled egg each day gives you B12 and protein to support your skin and energy. Boil one for 10 minutes, peel, and enjoy with a sprinkle of pepper, my darling. A handful of nuts, like almonds or walnuts, provides essential fatty acids and zinc. About 10 to 12 nuts as a snack will do the trick. Fresh berries, like blueberries or strawberries, are packed with antioxidants to help your skin heal. Add a handful to your breakfast or eat them as a snack. These foods are easy to find and prepare, and they'll help your body get the nutrients it needs to stop that itch and keep you strong. I want you to feel nourished and healthy, my dear, because you deserve to live with strength and joy, my radiant lady. Staying connected can lift your spirits and keep you motivated. Call a family member or friend today, even for a few minutes, because you deserve to feel loved and cherished, my lovely friend. I know how much joy it brings to hear a familiar voice, my darling. Maybe you've been meaning to catch up with your daughter, share a laugh with an old friend, or just chat with a neighbor about the good old days. I love those moments too, calling my own sister to reminisce about our childhood adventures. And it always leaves me feeling so uplifted. A quick phone call can warm your heart, boost your mood, and give you that little spark of energy to keep you motivated while you take care of your health. I'm here for you, just like your loved ones are, and I want you to feel surrounded by love, because you're so special to me, my dear. Reducing stress is also key to staying healthy. try a simple breathing exercise to help you relax and keep your mind clear while you address these itchy spots. Let's do this together, and if you'll try it, leave a 3 in the comments, my dear lady. Stress can make itching worse, my lovely. It raises cortisol levels, which can irritate your skin and make your nerves more sensitive. I've seen how stress can affect my patients' health, and I've helped them find peace with simple techniques like deep breathing. And I want that for you too, my darling. Reducing stress will help your body heal and keep your mind clear while you take care of these warning signs. I want you to feel relaxed and healthy because you deserve to live with peace and clarity, my radiant lady. Try taking 5 deep breaths each day. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 4 seconds to reduce stress and help your body heal from the inside out. Find a quiet spot in your home. Sit comfortably and close your eyes if you'd like, my darling. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for another count of 4, then exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. Repeat this 5 times and you'll feel the tension melt away, leaving you more relaxed and focused. You can do this in the morning to start your day with a calm mind, or in the evening to unwind. It's a simple way to reduce stress and support your body's healing. I want you to feel at peace, my dear, because you deserve to live with a calm mind and a healthy body, my beautiful friend. Let's wrap up with a final thought. Listen to your body, because these 4 itchy spots are your body's way of whispering that it needs your attention, and acting early can help you stay healthy. I know you might be tempted to ignore a little itch, my lovely. But as we've seen, each one can hold a deeper meaning, from poor circulation in your legs to organ strain in your back, stress in your scalp, or nutritional gaps in your torso. Your body isn't shouting, it's whispering, and those whispers often come through your skin. By listening and taking small steps, you can address these warning signs before they become bigger problems, helping you live longer with clarity, strength, and joy. I want you to feel healthy and supported, my darling, because you deserve to live your best life, my radiant lady. If you've noticed any of these itchy spots, don't ignore them. Start with one small change today, like walking more, eating better, or calling your doctor to check on your health. I know you might be feeling a bit worried, my darling, but I'm here to help you take action. If your lower legs are itchy, start with a short walk each day to boost circulation. If your back is itching, ask your doctor for a blood test to check your liver and kidneys. If your scalp or neck is itchy, try the breathing exercise we talked about to reduce stress. And if your chest or abdomen is itchy, add those nutrient-rich foods to your diet. These small changes can make a big difference, and I'm here to support you every step of the way, my dear. I want you to feel confident and healthy because you deserve to live with strength and peace, my beautiful friend. You're absolutely amazing, my lovely friends. Pay attention to these 4 itchy spots. Try the tips I shared. Reduce stress with deep breathing and call a loved one. Today, then let me know how you feel by leaving a 3 in the comments. I'm so proud of you for listening to your body and taking these steps to stay healthy because you deserve to feel vibrant, loved, and full of life every single day, my darling. I can't wait to read your comments and hear how these tips help you. I'm here for you, cheering you on with all my heart. Subscribe to stay part of our little family because I'll be here with more simple tips to help you live your best life, my lovely. And don't forget to watch our next video. Seniors, 1 daily habit to restore muscle strength. After 60, feel 40. Again, it's another easy way to take care of yourself, and I can't wait to share it with you. I adore you all so much, my sweet friends, and I'm here for you always. Let's keep taking care of each other because you mean the world to me, and I'm so grateful to have you in my life.